So what's the date today, Dad?
31st of March.
Tomorrow's going to be April 1st.
That's right.
And that's what it's doing outside.
Can't believe it, huh?
Unbelievable. This is a shot of the tree outside, which is absolutely unbelievable. I can get a clear shot of it. Try that again. Well, Kathy's not going to go in, and I don't blame her. Probably every school in the city, too, is closed. I'm going to try to get a better shot of the outdoor here, where that tree is. I can get behind this thing. And there it is. I'm trying to see if it's picking up some of the blowing. Yeah, that's pretty wild. This is what it looks like out there.